Ever wondered why some people seem to get so much done in a day, while others struggle to check off a single task from their to-do list? It all boils down to productivity. Today we delve into 10 tips that can help anyone supercharge their productivity in their daily workspace. Firstly, consider the importance of setting clear goals. Without a defined destination, it's easy to wander aimlessly. Whether it's a long-term project or a simple daily task, having a clear goal in mind provides a roadmap to success. Secondly, embrace the power of prioritization. Not all tasks are created equal. Determine what tasks are most important and tackle them first. This ensures the most critical work gets done when energy and focus are at their peak. Thirdly, learn to delegate. If there are tasks that can be done by others, don't hesitate to delegate. This frees up time to focus on tasks that require your unique skills and expertise. Fourthly, eliminate distractions. In the digital age, distractions are everywhere. From social media notifications to chatty colleagues, it's essential to create a workspace that minimizes these productivity killers. Fifthly, take regular breaks. It might seem counterintuitive, but taking short breaks can actually boost productivity. These breaks refresh the mind, making it easier to maintain focus and energy throughout the day. Sixthly, maintain a healthy lifestyle. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep are all crucial for maintaining energy levels and focus. Seventhly, invest in time-saving tools. Whether it's project management software, a faster computer, or a more comfortable chair, the right tools can make a world of difference to productivity. Eighthly, develop a positive mindset. A positive attitude can do wonders for productivity. It fosters resilience, creativity, and a can-do spirit that helps overcome challenges and keeps the momentum going. Ninthly, practice good time management. This involves not only managing how time is spent, but also understanding when you're most productive and scheduling tasks accordingly. Finally, commit to continuous learning. The most productive people are those who constantly seek to improve their skills and knowledge. Whether it's learning a new software or discovering a more efficient way to complete a task, never stop learning. In summary, productivity in the workspace is all about setting clear goals, prioritizing tasks, delegating when possible, eliminating distractions, taking regular breaks, living a healthy lifestyle, investing in time-saving tools, maintaining a positive mindset, managing time effectively, and committing to continuous learning. By adopting these 10 tips, anyone can enhance their productivity and achieve more in their daily workspace. It all starts with a single step, so why not begin today?